Protected areas in Tanzania are extremely varied, ranging from sea habitats over grasslands to the top of the Kilimanjaro, the tallest mountain in Africa. About a third of the country's total area is protected to a certain degree as a national park, game reserve, marine park, forest reserve or the like. The following list gives an overview on the various protected areas in Tanzania, including their predominant habitat, wildlife and flora. Especially remarkable species, endemics or those occurring in unusually large numbers, are set in bold. National parks. All 16 national parks together comprise an area of more than 42,000 km². They are administered by the Tanzania National Parks Authority, TANAPA. Names like Arusha and Serengeti are well known, partly due to films about African wildlife. Game reserves and other protected areas. Marine parks and reserves. See also: List of national parks. Maziwi Island. Ministry of Natural Resources and Tourism, Tanzania. Notes. References. UNEP WCMC. Tanzania National Parks. Marine parks in Tanzania.